Satish Pradhan making 7 points out of 10 here. And he converts as Bahadur. So Soman for his bonus shots, he converts. So Soman for his second, and he converts. Suraj Kharki, fresh leg, and he converts. Pradhan, transition mile times, Shreyas ko hath ball, and he pulls up, and he converts. Rebound, Kirtipur ko. Soyun Rai, a quick pass here, and Sadish, Shreyas, almost turnover, shot clock running down. Satish Pradhan, Soyun Rai, driving in, he pulls up, and he converts. Soman Morrison, and he's open, he pulls up, he converts. Ball agadi badhaउँदै transition ma अहिले Suraj Kharki getting that open. Sonam Bhutia, he pulls up, and he converts. To Soyun Rai, shot clock running down, 4 seconds, 3, 2, Raya fall. And he makes it. Ball लाई अगाडि बढाउँदै विजय लामा, Shreyas to Sadish, he's open, he converts. Lucky driving in, and he converts. Okay, Mavindra Bhandari, निकै राम्रो पास यहाँ Shreyasलाई. Soyun asking for the screen, the pick and roll, निकै नै राम्रो sequence त्यहाँ Soyun Rai. अझै पनि पेन्टमा प्लेयर ओपन, convert. Transition by Kirtipur. Soyun Rai, राम्रो pass there, and one. Soman Morrison, and he converts. The crowds, they're roaring. राम्रो pass. Vijay Lama go Shreyas on the free throw line. He converts the. And he. Shot clock running down, he pulls up, and he converts, but he misses the rim. Transition ma Manish Casey, and he converts. Anil, he pulls up again from the mid-range, now he converts. Morrison, Soyun, enough, Anil, he steps back, he pulls up, and he converts that rim. So Mavindra Bhandari. So flag on ko karan. And the second one here, he converts the boats. Manish Casey. Ashish Thapa Magar replacing Soyun Rai. Prasant converting the free throws. They haven't. Again he converts. He's driving in. He steps back. He pulls up, and he converts. आफ्नो साथीको फल उहाँले आफ्नो माथि लिएका छन्. पर्सनल फल धेरै भइसकेको छ. Sadish, he pulling up, and he converts. Definitely times they want a basket. Manish Casey, Suraj to Sadish, he fakes. राम्रो pass, Mavindra Rai, and on the free throw line. The coach not happy. The crowd is distracting him, supporting the Kirtipur, and he using the screen. He pulls up, and he's Manish Casey. He's free. He's open. Shreyas pulling up. He converts. Yeah. A fake pass there and a pull-up jumper. And now he. So with that fall, Soman has his third personal fall, and he has. And now for the second, he converts. The hustle ball ko lagi. The fast break ma अहिले Kirtipur. Times Suraj Kharki slide ball. The inside pass and he can राम्रो. Shreyas. And he scoops the layup. The rebound लिएका छन् पुजनले. र अझै पनि Sadish, what a nice spin there. And 3-on-1, Sadish getting in. Double team for Sadish. And he takes and he converts. Pujan. Oh, I mean Soman Marzan. He converts. Vijay Rama to Shreyas. Handing off to Mavindra. He wants to pull up and he passes to Suraj. And he converts. Side injury ko karan hola. As Anil Khadki ko mid range haru khasai convert bhane hun सक्छ यहाँ निकै राम्रो offensive rebound. Anil again. A pass there. Soman. Lucky to Anil Khadki. र यहाँ pass निकै राम्रो inside feed. That fall. It's the 4th Kirtipur fall trouble ma. Suraj passing it to Soyun. And he drives, he spins, he pulls up, and he converts. Sadiq. Suraj getting in, and he converts. Enough. Enough. He converts. Soyun, he passes the defender, and he lays it in. Transition ma. Soyun Rai. Again. Shot clock running down. Shot clock running down. And he converts. So it's a 9-point game now. Manish driving in. And he converts. Times not giving any easy shots to the opponent. He converts. Marzan driving in. An open man. Soyun. The second shot. Now, Prashant, he hasn't missed any shot from the free throw line today. And he converts. Second one. He converts. Last minute mein bhayo hola. And now he converts for the first one. He converts on the only one miss till now. And he converts the both one. Be out from the game. And he converts, showing his experience. And he converts the game. Time we can see on our screen. Just 1/10 of the second.